Is it time to buy or sell Google stock? In this video, we will delve into Google. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 7th of November, 2024, and now we are here to bring you a more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analyses. You don't want to miss any critical updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Harness the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please be aware that this video is intended for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since the 29th of October, 2024, our system has ranked Google as a strong buy candidate, awarding it a score of 8. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time. The stock has experienced a gain of 6.51%. This results in an average return of 0.81% per day since it was designated as a strong buy candidate. The current 3-month trend indicates a potential change of 5.4% over the next 3 months, with an expected return ranging from negative 9.91% to 5.4%. Regarding the 12-month trend, it points to a change of 24.44% over the upcoming 12 months, with a possible return between 6.83% and 40.90%. This corresponds to a price range between $194.74 and $256.84 after a year. Our latest daily update for Google includes the headline: Google stock price ended at $182.28 on Thursday, after gaining 2.21%. The Google stock price gained 2.21% on the last trading day, which was Thursday, the 7th of November, 2024, rising from $178.33 to $182.28. It has now gained for 3 consecutive days. It will be interesting to see whether it manages to continue this upward trend or take a minor break in the coming days. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated by 2.06%, reaching a low of $178.89 and a high of $182.58. The price has risen in 7 of the last 10 days, showing an increase of 10.79% over the past 2 weeks. Volume fell on the last day by 8 million shares, with a total of 16 million shares traded, amounting to approximately $2.89 billion. It's important to consider that falling volume alongside rising prices can indicate divergence, which may serve as an early warning of potential changes in the next couple of days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $193.30, while the lowest was $129.40. Currently, the price is 5.70% or $11.02 below the 52-week high, and 92.79% or $2,344.71 below the all-time high on the 11th of June, 2021, when the price reached $2,526.99. Alphabet, trading under the symbol GOOG, is experiencing significant market attention following Donald Trump's recent presidential victory. This win has led to a market rally, with some analysts suggesting that GOOG could see substantial price increases in the near term. High return on equity stocks, including GOOG, are highlighted as strong candidates for growth, as investors position themselves to benefit from favorable market conditions. Short-term sentiment around GOOG is bolstered by its expanding cloud business, which is emerging as a key growth driver amid challenges in its traditional search segment. This diversification is critical for maintaining momentum and could shield the company from potential headwinds linked to its search performance. Furthermore, Trump's administration may alter the regulatory landscape impacting tech companies, including ongoing antitrust cases against Google. A more favorable approach to regulation could alleviate significant pressures on the company, thus positively influencing investor confidence and stock performance. Long-term, Alphabet appears well-positioned for sustained growth, benefiting from strong financial metrics and innovations in technology, such as the adoption of its Pixel 9 smartphone. The recent surge in insider trading activity indicates heightened confidence among stakeholders in the wake of an impressive third-quarter earnings report. Overall, with a combination of market rally effects, strategic business growth, and potential regulatory relief, GOOG could see both immediate gains and a robust outlook for the future. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, the 30th of October, 2024, it was reported that Cantor Fitzgerald assigned GOOG a neutral grade with a hold action. On the same day, BMO Capital rated GOOG as outperform with a hold action. Also on that day, Morgan Stanley gave GOOG an overweight grade along with a hold action. Oppenheimer, on the same date, assigned GOOG a grade of outperform with a hold action. Finally, Pivotal Research rated GOOG as a buy with a hold action on that day. Analysts have assigned Google stock a general buy rating. They evaluate the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts have rated the stock as a strong buy. The following signals have been identified for Google. The chart today shows mostly positive signals. Google stock currently presents buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a favorable outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal evidenced by the relationship between these two averages, where the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average. In the event of downward corrections, support can be expected at the levels of $174.88 and $167.57. Should the stock fall below any of these thresholds, sell signals will be triggered. A buy signal emerged from a pivot bottom point on Monday, September 9, 2024, and so far, the stock has risen by 21.89%. Further upward movement is anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Moreover, a buy signal is present from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence. Notably, trading volume decreased during the last trading day, despite an increase in prices. This discrepancy between volume and price may serve as an early warning sign. Therefore, it is advisable to monitor the stock closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal 44 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 1 day ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 3 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 37 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 34 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 11 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal 9 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 62 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Google. Google finds support from accumulated volume at $176.14. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. This stock typically trades at a solid volume, and with minor daily fluctuations, the risk is viewed as low. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated $3.69, representing a change of 2.06% from its high to low. In the last week, the stock has experienced an average daily volatility of 1.72%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Google, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. This is a relatively normal PE ratio, often seen in businesses with long track records or predictable revenues. In other news, the next earnings report for the fourth quarter of 2024 is expected on the 4th of February, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at $2.11. Keep an eye on these numbers as they can greatly impact stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Google. There's no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, which means the stock could move upwards swiftly under the right conditions. In this scenario, you might consider entering a position and using volume to help determine when to exit. On the downside, Google encounters its first support level at $176.14. If this support holds, it could present a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Google from multiple analyst sources is buy. The most recent insider trade for this stock is older than 3 months. The latest trade occurred on the 17th of June, 2024, when Chavez R. Martin conducted an insider purchase of 5 shares of Class C Google stock units. Our recommended stop loss is set at $176.85, reflecting a decline of 2.98%. This stock exhibits low daily fluctuations, which contributes to a lower risk profile. However, the 14-day relative strength index stands at 76, indicating a substantial increase in risk. A buy signal has emerged from a pivot bottom identified 43 days ago. Is Google stock a good buy? Google presents several positive indicators and is currently experiencing a slight upward trend. As the old saying goes, let the trend be your friend. Therefore, we believe it is a solid choice at these levels, with expectations for further gains over the next 3 months. Upon analyzing the volatility and price fluctuations from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is somewhat overvalued. For trading on Friday, the 8th of November, we anticipate that Google will open lower by $1.03, starting at $181.25. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before engaging in any buying or selling of securities. It is important not to base your investment decisions solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With best regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.